Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Slim Rolling Pantry is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving solutions for modern kitchens, offering a clever way to maximize storage in even the tightest of spaces. This innovative piece of furniture is designed to seamlessly integrate into your existing cabinetry or stand alone as a functional addition, providing easy access to your pantry staples without cluttering your countertops. Whether you're dealing with a compact apartment or simply looking to optimize your kitchen's efficiency, a Slim Rolling Pantry can transform how you organize and utilize your culinary space, making meal preparation and grocery management a breeze. Number 5. SPACELEAD Slim 3-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. Discover the ultimate space-saving solution. This slim cart is designed to fit perfectly into narrow gaps, making use of every inch in your home. It features a smart tiered design to accommodate items of all sizes, from taller bottles to everyday essentials. Everything has its place. With 360-degree swivel casters, it moves with ease. Plus, assembly is tool-free and takes less than 10 minutes, offering flexible and customizable storage. Crafted from lightweight yet durable materials, it's easy to move around. The breathable mesh design prevents water pooling and keeps your items dry. This versatile cart is perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, and any narrow space. It's designed to solve storage headaches throughout your entire home. Its narrow profile is ideal for tucked-in stability, fitting snugly against walls or between appliances. It's the perfect organizer for awkward nooks and crannies. What we like? This organizer is designed to maximize every inch of your space, sliding perfectly into narrow gaps. Its smart tiered design accommodates items of all sizes, and the breathable mesh bottom prevents water pooling and rusting. If you have very tight spaces like between a toilet and sink or a washer and wall, and need to store items that might get damp, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Slim Rolling Pantry is a great space saver and fits perfectly in narrow spaces. It's sturdy and holds a good amount of items, making it ideal for organizing kitchens or bathrooms. The wheels allow for easy movement, so you can access items at the back without hassle. Number 4. Slim Storage Cart 4-Tier White. Tired of wasted space? This organizer is designed to fit perfectly into narrow gaps, maximizing your vertical storage with its intelligent tiered design. It accommodates items of all sizes, making it a smart solution for modern living. Need flexibility? This unit easily transforms from a mobile station on casters to a stable, fixed shelving unit. Use it as a rolling pantry or a stationary organizer, adapting to your specific needs. Keep everything in its place with customizable dividers and side hooks. The thoughtfully designed shelf heights ensure that everything from large bottles to small jars fits perfectly, eliminating wasted space. Set it up in minutes with no tools required. It's lightweight for easy moving, yet each shelf is built to hold up to 30 pounds. The unique hollow bottom prevents water buildup, keeping your items dry. Solve storage challenges throughout your home. It's perfect for the bathroom, kitchen, laundry room, or any tight space, helping you organize toiletries, spices, cleaning supplies, and more. What we like? This organizer is an expert in gap storage with an innovative 4-tier height differential design, accommodating all sizes and maximizing vertical space. It offers a breakthrough dual-mode conversion, easily switching between a mobile station and fixed shelving. If you need a versatile solution that can adapt to different storage needs, from a mobile kitchen pantry to a stationary bathroom organizer, this is the one for you. What people say. The Slim Rolling Pantry is a great space saver and fits perfectly in narrow spaces. It's sturdy and holds a good amount of items, making it ideal for organizing kitchens or bathrooms. The wheels make it easy to move around, which is convenient for cleaning or rearranging. Number 3. VASAGLE 5-Tier Slim Rolling Cart ULRC 034B01. Tired of wasted space? This cart is designed to fit perfectly into those tight spots, like between your counter and refrigerator, adding valuable storage where you need it most. With 5 spacious tiers, you can organize everything from spices and snacks to kitchen essentials. Keep your frequently used items within easy reach on the top shelf and store more below. Constructed with a sturdy metal frame and quality particle board, this cart is built for durability. You can rely on it to hold your items for years to come. Need to move it? No problem. The integrated handle and 4 360-degree swivel casters make it incredibly easy to roll this cart wherever you need it. Setting up your new storage solution is a breeze. With numbered parts and clear instructions, you'll have it assembled and ready to use in no time. What we like. This cart is designed to delight narrow spaces, easily fitting into gaps for added storage with its 5-tier system. Crafted with a robust steel and quality particle board frame, it's built for durability. If you need substantial vertical storage in a slim profile and appreciate the convenience of a built-in handle for easy movement, this is a great option for your kitchen or home office. What people say. The Slim Rolling Pantry is a great space saver, fitting perfectly in narrow spaces. It's sturdy and holds a good amount of items, making it ideal for organizing kitchens or bathrooms. The wheels allow for easy movement, so you can access items at the back without hassle. Number 2. VASAGLE 4-tier Slim Rolling Cart ULRC 032B01V1. Tired of wasted space? This cart is designed to fit perfectly into those tight spots, like between your counter and fridge, adding valuable storage where you need it most. With 4 spacious tiers, you can organize everything from spices and snacks to coffee beans. Keep your essentials neatly arranged and within easy reach. Constructed with a sturdy metal frame and durable particle board, this cart is built for long-lasting use. It's a reliable addition to your home for years to come. Need to move it? No problem. The integrated handle and 4 smooth rolling casters make it incredibly easy to glide this cart anywhere you need it. Setting it up is a breeze. With numbered parts and clear instructions, you'll have it assembled and ready to use in no time. What we like. This slim rolling cart easily fits into narrow gaps, offering 4-tier storage for your essentials. Constructed with a sturdy metal frame and quality particle board, it promises durability for years to come. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-move storage solution with a handle, perfect for keeping frequently used items accessible in tight spaces like between your kitchen counter and refrigerator, consider this model. What people say. The Slim Rolling Pantry is very sturdy and holds a lot of items. It fits perfectly in narrow spaces and rolls smoothly for easy access. The shelves are adjustable, allowing for customization based on the size of your items. Number 1. VASAGLE 3-tier narrow storage cart. Tired of clutter in tight spaces? This narrow cart is designed to fit perfectly in those awkward spots, bringing organization to your kitchen, laundry room, or any room that needs it. Maximize your storage with 3 spacious shelves. It's ideal for keeping everything from kitchen essentials to toiletries neatly organized, helping you achieve a tidy home. Easily move it where you need it with the included casters, or opt for stability by using the adjustable feet. It adapts to your needs, whether you need a rolling cart or a stationary shelf. Crafted with a sturdy wood and metal construction, this trolley is built for durability. It can reliably hold up to 66 pounds, ensuring it stands the test of time. Enhance your home's decor with its sleek industrial design. This stylish cart is a functional and attractive addition that complements any interior. What we like. This narrow storage cart is designed to fit into tight spaces, offering 3 shelves for various items. It comes with both casters for easy mobility and adjustable feet for stable, stationary use. If you prefer an industrial rustic style and need a flexible storage solution that can be easily moved or set up permanently in areas like your kitchen, laundry room, or garage, this cart is a practical choice. What people say. The Slim Rolling Pantry is a great space saver and fits perfectly in narrow spaces. It's very sturdy and holds a lot of items, making it ideal for organizing kitchens or pantries. The rolling feature makes it easy to move and access items, even in tight spots. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.